OH10, yeah, Cincinnati, let's get to the business, yeah. I put that shit on everything, my city so underrated. This for those who go extra hard, man, and those who never made it. Got my eyes on that bread, call me C-Biscuit, got the city on my back, like Delta District. We young, yeah, we getting it, even though me is a privilege. OC is green, let us have this finish. And that green meaning is go time, hope it over this your time. For the butter we're rally, hell yeah, it's show time. Grind hard, no grind at all, guarantee my team go ball. Told y'all we was on the way, make no.
Kiss and tell, you don't tell, I won't tell nobody. I won't kiss and tell, you don't tell, I won't tell nobody. I won't kiss and tell, you don't tell, I won't tell nobody. Body, don't tell nobody. Hey, you feel that beat, hey, you feel that beat, hey. Yes, I need some help, need a lifeguard, 'cause I'm drowning myself. When it's so deep, can't catch my breath. When it came first, had a taste in myself. Yes, I need some help, need a lifeguard, 'cause I'm drowning myself. When it's so deep, can't catch my breath. When it came first, tell me to stop, tell me to stop, 'cause I'm gonna keep going.
San Antonio with Sound of the Street, and we are in Woodlawn at the All-In Pool Party, and I'm here with Lil Aaron. He just performed. So tell me something about yourself. Where you from?
I'm from Cincinnati, period, but Price Hill is where I'm from. That's where I'm from.
I mean, you got any websites out? Can I find you on Facebook, Twitter?
Facebook, Aaron Hollis. Facebook, Aaron Hollis.
I mean,
Music on there.
The best new R&B artist in the motherfucking Cincinnati, man.
I mean, do you have any like upcoming projects? Any?
I'm trying to work on this little mixtape.
What's the name of it?
Lil Aaron Self-Made, No Help.
On you smiling cause you read my teeth. I'm all day, I know you heard about me in the street. Baby, I'ma get you hip to what I do in the sheets. Little mama, you're bad, I'm only gonna tell you once. It's a chance in lifetime, I don't do this much. Coke bottle frame and the ass looking right. Wish I high heels off cause you been dancing all night. I know you want me and I seem a little cocky. My shoes I said all, so I guess I am cocky. Go on, tell your man spend the night and let your friends out. We can have some ball, baby, I don't do nothing well.
We gonna ride this motherfucker till the wheels fall off.
I'm not only trying to win, I'm trying to build a legacy. But sometimes it's hard, like a single mother in pregnancy. I had to dig myself out a whole lot of ditches, and I done ran through a whole lot of bitches. But it made me smarter, so don't get it twisted. The extra work just show them that I am committed. Every day it's like I'm living the raps, and once we take over the game, we ain't giving it back. And I use Jolly Ranchers when I'm sipping the Jack. Loud pack when I'm rolling the back. I'ma ride this bitch till I'm all the way there. And if the wheels fall off, then I'm coming with a spare. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. 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 I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. I'ma ride a no JR. Lifestyle like a fast car. I'm taking off like NASCAR. The finish lines where the diamonds are. I swear nobody grind this hard. I'm on some X game shit all day and all night. Ain't a way that I should've been. I'm diving in first while your kids just learning how to swim all day. OJ Phelps, I'm going for that gold, bitch. Natural born winner, it's encrypted in my DNA. I practice what I preach. Y'all just doing it on Sunday. 24/7, I gotta get it. High life, no Miller drinking. Blunt fill, the whole room stinking. I'm fresh to death, I'm on here killing. I don't give a fuck. Go ahead if you don't like me. I'm a rider, bitch, and them ghouls right beside me. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off. Through the bullshit, the pain, and the struggle. Bitch, I'm gon' ball. Ball. I'm gon' ride it till the wheels fall off.
Cincinnati, and you not voting for All Hustle No Luck to be on 106 in Park, that's some lame shit, and you motherfucking know it. Tell your little bitches, tell your niggas, tell your kids, tell your granny, tell everybody. Vote for that shit. This the triller shit. This the shit can happen to us. And I'ma represent every time they see me. I don't even care. I'ma come out here. And we go, yeah, my people. I'ma slam barrels in the water. If I ain't got you, I'm probably gonna get you. The night ain't over yet. We gon' all love and love.
Want some money, get some money.
Let's go.
All I ever wanted
Want some money, get some. Turn a dollar to a 20, 20 to a 50, 50 to a bag. Hold up, hey, hold up. Let's go. 4 in the morning, I ain't see my bed. I'll hustle, no luck, going so hard that my phone went dead. Damn, I just want my power, love. I'll hustle, no luck. I'll hustle, no luck. I'll hustle. It is that I'll hustle, that no luck, and I better give me rich now. I'll hustle, no luck. Oh, you think you cool over there, huh? Yeah, your ass going in. Is that I'll hustle, that no luck? Oh yeah. Lantana. Wait, no. I ain't seen 2 days and I can't keep charging my phone. Is that I'll hustle, that no luck, nigga? Fuck yeah. That I let my nuts fall, I better give me rich dog. Young nigga on that one grind. What it say, close to a 3-4 times. It ain't got no mind. No patience living like I got no time. Hungry like I never ate food. I can do this, nigga. I'm an echo straight fool. Choppers for all my killers. Diamonds for all my bitches. And I'll hustle, no. That's how I'ma get it. All I ever wanted was some money. Let's go. I don't care how many motherfucking times you heard it. The world gotta see us after this. Hold on, wait, I'm going in. Forward, I'm on it, I ain't see my bed. Yeah. My nigga Eddie Leho. Yeah. I just want my power, love. I'll hustle, no luck. Work. I'll hustle, no luck. I'll hustle. And it's that I'll hustle, that no luck, and I better give you it. Yeah. I'll hustle, no luck. I'll hustle, no luck. So what you got? Yeah. Lantana. They be dreaming about the racks, my pops ain't raised a nigga like that. Bitches, that I'll hustle, that no luck, nigga. Fuck y'all. That I let my check up, go hard, get a little bit extra. No gang, I rep that dollar sign. Green like a young nigga. Hey, girl. Let's have it out there, water, probably been some gone from Jesus. I was looking for my I was rapping in corner, smoking fiber. Trying to come up on the million for a nigga see the murder. Cause I ain't seen that bread. I've been $48 since I seen my bed. Fuck with me. I'll hustle. Going so hard that my phone went dead. Probably missed a call from Jesus. I was looking for my charges. Hell nah. Cool. If y'all know it, do it on your phone right now. I'll hustle no love 106 & Park. Straight up, man. Young Cincinnati.